Stop. Before you scroll this video, let me ask you one question. How many times have you been told that AI can make you rich overnight with zero effort? So you have seen the thumbnail, make 1 lakh a month with ChatGPT, passive income with AI in 7 days, and every single time you try it and nothing happens. Or it works for a week and dies. Here's the truth. Nobody is saying out loud. So AI income is real, but the way it been sold to you is very much lie. So today I am gonna to show you 5 AI income stream that actually work, not the fantasy version, the real version with real setup, cost, real timeline, and real income ceilings. And by the end of this video, you are going to know exactly which one to start based on your situation right now. My name is Aniket from Aniket Rawat AI, and this is the most honest AI income breakdown you will watch this year. So let's go. So which AI stream has the best effort to what income ratio? That is the real question. Not which one makes the most money, not which one is easiest. Because here's what you have been told, and I want you to really hear this. Post content, get rich, easy passive income. That's the Instagram version. That is the YouTube thumbnail version, and that is not the reality. I am telling you, that is not the reality. Here's what actually true: one time effect, ongoing leverage, and real income. That's it. That's the formula. You put in serious work once, and that work keeps paying you. But there is no shortcut to that one time effort. The stream I am about to show you, they all require your upfront. But once that work is done, that run without you. So there's the difference between a job and a system. Today we are building system. So here's are the 5 stream we are covering today, ranked for fastest case to biggest long-term leverage. So stream 1, AI consulting and audit offer. You can be earning in 1 to 2 weeks from today. Stream 2, automation, retainer and clients. Recurring monthly income in 2 to 4 weeks. Stream 3, AI affiliate marketing. Set it up once, earn commission forever, but give it 3 to 6 months to compound. Stream 4, AI powered digital product. Build once, sell forever. 1 to 3 months to your first rupees. At stream 5, the big one, faceless AI YouTube channel. Highest selling, slowest start, and 95% of the people who try it fail. I will tell you exactly what the 5% do differently. I also want to tell you upfront, I will give you a comparison table at the end of the video. So stay with me. So it's going to be save you a lots of time. So let's break down each by each every time. So stream 1, AI consulting and audit offering. This is hands down the fastest way to make money with AI. I mean fastest. Within a week you can earn lots of money. So here's how it works. You go to the small business owner, a restaurant, coaching practice, real estate agent, CA firm, anywhere who's trying to run a business manually, and you offer them an AI readiness audit. You look their business, you will find 5 to 10 things AI could automate them. You create an automation recommend tool and you deliver the whole time in 48 hours. Beautifully, let them a Notion document or a Loom video call which will help them. That's your deliver. Clean, professional and valuable. And you can charge up to 15,000 to 30,000 per client or per audit. Can you imagine? What does it cost you? Nothing. Just 5 to 10 hours, and you are using Claude ChatGPT to do the heavy analysis. Notion for the report, Calendly for the booking, and Loom for the walkthrough. Total setup time under 10 hours and total tool cost under 2000 a month. And now here the honest truth, the caveat nobody else will tell you. This is not passive, not yet. To sell this, you need credibility, LinkedIn post, a portfolio, a warm network. Get your 3 to 4 client through people who already know you. But once you have 4 client a month, you are at 1 lakh rupees plus. So every month from a service that takes you a day to deliver. So now, second stream, your automation retainer client. This is where things get really interesting because This stream gives you something most freelancers only dream of: monthly recurring income. Here's the concept. You build an automation workflow for a client like using an NI10 or Mac.com. Let's say a lead generation workflow. Whenever a new lead comes in, it automatically updates the CRM, pings the sales, send a follow-up email, and populates a reporting dashboard. You build once, take you maybe 15 to 40 hours for the first client, and then you maintain it. Fix things which when they break, and improvement when they need them. Ongoing work per month, 2 to 5 per hour then. The monthly retainer will pay you up to 50,000 to 60,000 per client. So 2 to 5 hours of work, 60,000 per month. Means you don't need 10 clients for this to change your life. You need only 3 clients. 3 retainer client which will pay you 30,000 each, means 90,000 a month from maybe 15 hours a total work. This is the most reliable recurring income stream on this list. It takes 2 to 4 weeks to land your first client, but once you do, you have a business, not a gig. Then your stream 3, AI affiliate marketing. This is the closest thing to true passive income on the list, and I mean that seriously. Here's how it works. You sign up the affiliate program of the AI tool program. You already know, like N8N, it will pay you 30% recurring commission, Mac.com 20% recurring commission, 11 Labs 20%, Clay $500, and Jasper 25% recurring. Then every time you make a YouTube video, write a LinkedIn post, create Notion, just give your LinkedIn or give your link in your post and see the result. And then forever, every time someone will click that link and sign up, you get paid or earn money. Now here's the honest truth, and this one is important. The stream earns absolutely nothing, 0 rupees, until you have consistent traffic. If you have under 1,000 YouTube subscriber right now, don't expect more than 500 rupees to 2,000 rupees a month from this. But here's this strategy. Set it up one now, even if you have 100 subscribers, even if you have 10, because in 6 months when you have 10,000 subscribers, every video you made today will have the link embedded, and you will earn commission on every content you will publish the month ago. That's the compounding power. Plant this seed today and harvest later. Now your fourth stream, which is AI powered digital product. This one gets me excited because this is where I have personally seen the biggest shift in how people monetize knowledge. I am also doing this digital marketing or digital product. The link is there available. Go and check it out. So here's what you can sell. N8N workflow, which costs you 1,500 rupees. You can make AI prompt pack, 200 to 900 rupees. Playbooks, templates, AI blueprints, and mini courses. Many are there. So now let me do the math for you, because this is where people's eyes go wide. So 100 sales per month, average price is 1,000 rupees. That's 99,900 per month with zero ongoing work after setup. So the product is already built. The sales page is already live and the payment is automated. So you wake up, check your phone, sales happen when you sleep. So now here's the real talk. The hard part is not building the product. Building the product takes 5 to 40 hours depending on what you make, and the hard part is distribution. So nobody buys a product they have never heard of. Traffic is the real challenge, and that's why stream 5. So now what? YouTube channel. So is your where you will do faceless YouTube channel. But if you are already creating any kind of content, build your first digital product and try to sell it. Then your faceless YouTube channel. So this is the one everyone wants, and also the one most people quit before they ever see result. So let me give you the honest timeline, because nobody else will. So month 1 to 2 you are building system, recording your first 10 videos, and you have zero revenue. Month 3 to 4 you are publishing consistently, you are testing hooks, you are refining your content, still zero revenue, maybe 500 rupees from early affiliate link. 5 to 6 you start seeing the first monetization signal, some affiliate commission, maybe early AdSense eligibility. 7 to 12, this is where compounding kicks in. Traffic grows, digital product sales starts flowing, and affiliate income compound and your YouTube AdSense revenue begins. So now here's the tool stack. You need script, Claude or ChatGPT, voice from 11 Lab and video from Hygiene and Runway, editing like CapCut and Descript, and SEO you can do vidIQ Tube. So 95% of the faceless YouTube channel never do model because they are completely wrong way. So only 5% do because they treat like a business, not a slide hustle. So they show up what they know. They used to study the analytics. They publish even nobody watches. If you are